How's it going, guys? Welcome to Serpwizz. If you are watching this for the first time, I just want to let you know that we're doing tutorials and reviews of different SEO tools in the market. And for this particular series, we are talking about SEMRUSH. Basically, we have been reviewing their tools and the features that come with registering for a paid account here in SEMrush. Although as for me, I am using a free trial account because I want to highlight the things that you can explore even if you are not yet a paid user. So that is what I have been doing for the past couple of weeks now, talking about all of these SEO tools and features that are available in SEMrush. So if you haven't watched any of those, definitely feel free to go to our channel, Serpwizz, and look for our SEMrush playlist. And we also have the link down below if you want to watch those videos. But for today, we will be talking about the local SEO category. So we're done with SEO category now, which is a much broader tool inclusion for SEMrush, and local SEO now is more of a categorized one that targets your local SEO. So for example, if you have a physical business location, then these tools will definitely work best for you. So clicking on this one, it expands and it gives us the tools that are usable and beneficial for your local SEO cause. If you have watched the previous videos that we have done, you'd notice that some of these tools or most of them actually, are already part of the broader SEO umbrella. So that makes sense because of course this is just a more strategized composition which is focusing on local SEO. So of course most of the tools that are under SEO will be here as well. So we're not going to go through them one by one in detail, but we're just going to go through them quickly and maybe highlight review management, since this one is not included. I think it's not included on the broader SEO category. So we're going to go through these one by one, some faster than this one so that we can focus more on review management. So basically we have listing management right here, which is you can check your local listings for free and you are given results based on your requirements that would allow you to build greater online presence, especially since you're working not because you have a physical location that you would want to focus on just the local customers. So you would want to reach as far as you can, and with this one you can do so and also use the tool according or to your advantage. So that's it for listing management. You can put your company name here, and you would need a location for this one. So if you have a physical address for your business, then definitely use that up for this tool and search up your company so you can utilize the tool effectively. Now let's skip review management first. Let's go to position tracking now. So this is what the dashboard for position tracking looks like. So you can see there are a lot of visualizations involved as well, and that's something really nice about SEMrush. It's not just about numbers. You also get graphs that show the trend rising up and down at some points, and you can monitor them accordingly. So for position tracking, shows your visibility, estimated traffic, average position, as well as ranking distributions, keywords, which include top keywords, and as well as you can also buy, if you select overview, you can also buy more keywords here. So there are keyword suggestions right there, and as well as other useful features in terms of ranking or position tracking. So the next one is site audit. If you want to know more about these tools that we have been mentioning, then definitely visit our playlist, as you will find the in-depth review of that tool specifically there. So here we're going on site audit, which is basically it audits your site. That's basically what it does. Crawling the pages. You also get thematic reports and shows you the issues that you need to be working on right away for your website to improve. And then the next one is on Page SEO Checker, which is, I think, one of the last tools that we have discussed under SEO previously. So here it just checks your SEO performance on every page of your website. So it shows up like this, although for this one you would need to have I think more units to fully utilize this tool. So maybe you need to purchase on Page SEO Checker units, or maybe you will need to subscribe to a paid plan. So yep, that's basically the inclusions. Let's just go to review management, and we're just gonna breeze through here because I would like to talk about this further on another dedicated video. So let's just go through it quickly. It's the easygoing review management service. Check local listings and review stats for free. So it's pretty much like listing management. Even the look of it, it's pretty much the same. So more on reviews, answering reviews, building engagement, enhancing online reputation. Yeah, basically more about reviews. So if you want to know more about this tool from the local SEO category, then definitely check out the next video after this, as I will be talking about this in more detail. Hopefully we can use this tool. Let's see. I think it needs a location as well, but let's go over it a bit more detailed. So see you on the next video, and I hope you found this specific video interesting and helpful to your SEO task. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.